Real estate peeps, chilly November afternoon. Steve Kanger here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate Niagara, Peak Performers Realty and Team Moving Niagara. Today we're at a fantastic location, 939 Southworth Street in the beautiful City of Welland. 3-bedroom bungalow, 2 bathrooms, fully finished basement, and that's a pretty good start. Add deck, garage, workshop with a wood stove and hydro. And look at this, a 200-foot deep lot in the city. Let's take this one upstairs to show you the lot and then back inside.